Okay, so I got my Indie basmati rice. Yes. And they give us this at the pantry, this kind of rice. So I'm gonna do both. But I have these jars, these mason jars. How cute, bless you. How cute are these? Hey Duncan. So I'm gonna put some flour in one and I'm gonna put rice in the other. All right. Let go. You got her? Oh, be careful. We're not doing that. Things happen. Yay. You wanna help me?
I did.
Yeah. Put it back on. Just cover it. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. I know. Hold on. Hold on.
What is that?
Flour.
Flour?
Yeah, that's stuff that you like to play with, but it's not baby powder, it's flour. Like this is what we bake the bread with. You make your pancakes with it. You can't play in it. Is that what you're saying? Ta-da! You have to back up. Thank you, my love. Whoa. Go. Stranger danger, exactly. I know, I'm just getting it, Chunk. Take it. It's so nice. It's so nice. Look at the cotton candy. Oh my goodness.
guys, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all see, this is play date at Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, she had the best of time. She had a blast. This toy was not working. I don't know, it's supposed to go up like an airplane, but as you'll see, it goes up for somebody else. I don't like that. But hope y'all enjoying this new video. We had some pizza, we had some cotton candy, and it was so much fun. But thanks again, guys, for watching, liking, subscribing. And I'm going to let y'all enjoy because I want y'all to see how much fun my baby girl had on her play date. All right. Thanks, guys.
Go! Say hi! Go around. Come on. Good job. Yay. You're so cool.